Hey guys, I'm Bhumika. Welcome back to my channel, and if it's your first time watching here, I do beauty, fashion, travel videos, hauls and shorts here on my YouTube channel. So please take a moment to subscribe if you haven't already. And yes, first of all, Happy New Year, Happy 2022. I was unwell for a few days just at the start of 2022. I'm back and I'm fine now. So Happy New Year to you guys, and thank you so much for all your DMs, comments, wishes, and asking me if I was doing okay. I am doing better now. And yes, also I'm doing monthly giveaways here on my YouTube channel currently, so do subscribe and do check those out. Also, my previous giveaway winner announcement is pending. The previous giveaway winner is Farzeen Sheikh. Congratulations Farzeen. I'll mention everything here, her handle and name, and please email me your details. My email ID is mentioned in the info box below. And yes, for this month's giveaway I have a few interesting things. One winner will win these two Colourpop products and this Swiss Beauty palette. Absolutely love these three. The quality is fab. I love this eyeshadow palette, and this blotted lip I'm currently obsessed with, and this gloss, of course, it's gorgeous, it's beautiful. I'll include the video here. So one winner will win these three products, and again the giveaway will end after 15 days. And all other rules will be mentioned in the info box below as always. Now let's quickly get started with the haul. I shopped for a few beauty and fashion items from Amazon, and Amazon, by the way, is coming up with a sale soon, so you can start wish listing your products and start adding your products to the cart. I will do another video when the sale is live, but for now you can start adding products to your wish list for the sale. And what I got, I'll quickly show them to you, and of course, as always, I'll include all the links in the info box below and all the screenshots of the products here, so you can check that out. So first up is this black quilted pattern bag. Fold it in half and wear it like a shoulder bag, or you can wear it cross body. This works both ways, and it is very spacious. Absolutely love the space this gives. Like, most of the bags these days don't have enough space, but this will carry a lot of things. It is very spacious and nice, and very good quality for the price. I really loved it. And black bag is like a classic, and of course everyone should own a black bag, and this will work with casual, western, and a lot of different outfits, so highly recommend this. Next, I got a watch. This is from Fast Track, and the packaging is again absolutely quirky and beautiful, and this is how the watch looks like. It's a white dial with a soft brown leather straps. This is how it looks. Absolutely love it. It's very nice, small, dainty, elegant. Love this. Again, very good for everyday casual wear. Next, I have sunglasses. This is from a brand called Elegant. I have seen these on Amazon quite a lot of times, and I finally got them. So last month I went for a safari, so I got this, and it comes like in a set of two. There's this plain black one, leopard print one. Yeah, I wore this during my safari. So yeah, this is how it looks. I'll just show them to you. Yeah, oops. Yeah, this is how it looks on me. Love the print. It looks very nice, and I love the shape, and it's pretty good. Yeah, if you are looking for a shape like this is pretty good. And Elegante had pretty good reviews, and the quality is also pretty nice, so I do recommend getting these. Next, I have this super pretty gift box. Now this is from L'Occitane, and this makes for a beautiful gift. If you are looking to gift something to someone, or it's their birthday, anniversary or something, this will make for a very nice gift. It comes with 3 products, and it's like very nicely packed with the butter paper and everything. It's the L'Occitane Amande range. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, but basically I think that means almond. So it's almond oil, milk concentrate, shower gel, and hand cream. These are mini sizes. I think these are around 35 ml. This one is 20 ml. So these are mini sizes of the L'Occitane almond range. It smells absolutely amazing and makes the skin really soft and nice. And the best thing about this is, of course, the packaging. It comes beautifully packed, so you don't have to like worry about the packaging if you are planning to gift it to someone. This makes for a beautiful gift. And finally, I have 2 skincare products. Of course, you know my love for skincare. I'm obsessed with skincare. So this is the Chemist at Play Hydrating Face Serum, and this is the Chemist at Play Anti-Aging Face Serum. Now this hydrating face serum has 11 kDa hyaluronic acid and 10% niacinamide. Now this is a repurchase. If you have seen my skincare routine video, I already have this, and this is almost done with. It's like, it's a struggle for anything to like come out. It's over. I think I must be having like a few drops underneath which don't come in the dropper, but yes, this is a repurchase. I bought another one because I absolutely love this. This is a very good daily wear hydrating serum. It has hyaluronic acid and niacinamide, which is great for the skin. So yeah, perfect for the winter season currently. Again, I love the packaging of these Chemist at Play serums. The outer box is like very pretty and colorful and nice. So yes, got this. This is a good serum for every skin type, whether you're oily skin, dry skin, combination skin. This is just a hydrating face serum with hyaluronic acid and niacinamide, and makes for a great everyday prep serum. This is the Chemist at Play Anti-Aging Serum. Now this is a new purchase. I haven't tried this, but since I loved other Chemist at Play serums, I thought of giving this a try as well. This has 0.3% retinol and green tea catechin. Now the main thing about this is I was researching the ingredients, and this has slow releasing retinol. It's called Gentenol, I believe, and this is a very slow releasing retinol. So even after you apply the serum, the retinol will keep on working on the skin because it releases slowly. So yes, I do use retinol on an alternate days basis, like 2 or 3 times a week. Again, Chemist at Play has a lot of good ceramides in the skincare because it is I think India's first ceramide based skincare brand, which I have mentioned previously in my skincare routine video as well. So this is the anti-aging retinol serum. So this was the last product I got. A little bit of skincare, a little bit of fashion. Let me know your favorite item in the comments down below. I think I love the bag, I love the watch, I love the sunglasses, I love everything. Let me know your favorite, and of course the skincare. Also, don't forget to participate in the giveaway and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. And if you like this video, please don't forget to give this a big thumbs up. And I just wanted to thank you all for all the support till now. And I have been pretty active on my YouTube channel, and I continue to do so in 2022. So I really look forward to your support, and I hope you guys will support me on my YouTube channel as well as much as you do on all other social media platforms. So yes, thank you so much, and happy 2022. Bye. I'll see you guys soon.